So I will teach you how to make money online. Doesn't matter your age, you can be 14, 13, 10 years old, 18, 19, doesn't matter your age, and you can make money fast. I'll teach you these 3 tips. So I'm gonna now just told us now to how I make money online and how I'm gonna teach you how to make money online. Let's get started, okay? So first you open your Facebook account, okay? So when you open your Facebook account, you can do it in your phone or in computer. I'm doing in my computer because it's more comfortable to me. It's bigger screen, so I can do more work at the same time. Okay. So first go to marketplace. Marketplace is top left here. Marketplace. Just click in marketplace. In phone there will be somewhere in the top, or just scroll down to your profile and you find the marketplace there. After that, so you just browse and see what they're selling. So for example, this watch, so this watch they are selling jewelries and access top picks, and this is okay, this is mobile, so they are selling for 3,000. Okay, so they give you warranty 1 year and they put the details there. Okay, just skim through and look around how they sell and how they do it, how like just see how the market works. Okay, and after that, if you just I recommend you just spending 20 minutes to see how market works and just get in to start it. Okay, so let's get started here. So click on sell something. Okay, there will be item for sale and home and rent. So click on item for sale. So what you're selling, so open Shopee. Okay, this is Shopee account. Okay, I'll make multi-text for you. Okay, this is Facebook, this is Shopee. Okay, so go in Shopee or anything, Amazon, Lazada, anything. Just go in one website that sells things. Okay, so for example, if you want to sell some furnitures in home, okay, scroll down, see this. So this is the wardrobe which Shopee is selling. So just look at this. So this wardrobe has 3 boxes and have a key, and that's not really important. Just see the model, how it works. Okay, so try to see the how many sale it's sold already. For example, from here it's sold 2,100. Okay, they are sold, so it's pretty good number to sell in Facebook too, because there are so many people are interested in this. So what you're gonna do is just copy this, copy paste here, paste what you're selling. So this is your name of the product. Okay, so they're selling for 450. Yeah, so if you want profit for 50 baht, you can just write 500. Okay, so you just want profit just 50 baht, or if you want profit for 100 baht, just up to you how much profit you want. Just upgrade your price, but I want just 50, so I just do 500. Okay, it depends on you. So so after that, you need pictures for this wardrobe. So for pictures, you just screenshot it. If on the phone, you screenshot your screen and crop it, and you can put it here, right there. But what I do in computer is more easy. So you go right click, take a screenshot and click it. See, it will crop it for me. So Firefox will do, I don't know Google Chrome will do that, but Firefox will do it, and download. Okay, so it will download straight to my storage here. So download it all, so click it. So you got all the pictures already, right? So when you get all the pictures, after that you select your location where you at. So I'm at Jalingam, so just write custom way, so many people can see your product in many ranges and categories. Okay, so this is furniture, just write furnitures. Okay, and describe your item. Don't worry about this, so just go on and just see the details here. So it's the details, you paste the details, and uh, just copy this. If you have to read it first, what it tells, so it gives carry, and you just copy that. So copy and paste. So you get this, okay? So suddenly it look nice already, your product, okay? After you don't put any effort, you just copy and paste, and you take the middle price of that product, okay? So after that, you take your photo that you screenshotted and crop it, make it very nice, okay? So I'm just gonna do it like this. So computer is more easy. So I recommend you to do in computer rather than phone, but if you have phone, just doesn't matter, because I also did in my phone when I was back then there. So that's it. You get one product, boom. After that, wait for the photo to load. So just slide this here, so make it font to make it good, okay? So you got it. Next, okay? So you have to get in the group. So group, just search any group in your region, like, so for example, if you're in Bangkok, sell and buy, Bangkok buy and sell, Bangkok all sell, Bangkok rental, any for free, you know. So I'm in Samui, so I'm in the group already. First, I recommend you to go in the group first. So you have many options here. So just tick all, okay? Just tick all. So when you tick all, just hit post, okay? Boom. That's it. You're done for one product, okay? One product already. So this is the product. So wait for customer to reply your, when they ask do you have stuff, so reply. You need communication skill also, so there are many people replying me. See, I said I have, and there are many people asking me, so you have to have communication skills to interact with the customers and do stuff, get sales done. So I recommend you one day to do 10 items or 15 items or 20 items, up to you how you can handle it. But post it, so post a lot of item a day, so it will bring traffic to your account, so that people can see more and they will get interact, and you get money in exchange, the profit. And after that, when they buy your item, go to Shopee, ask their address. Do is the customer buy from me, they transfer money to my account, then I'm gonna go to Shopee. So I'm gonna paste, so this name, right, I'm gonna copy and paste in here. So that's it. So I find this already. So if you don't want to, if you struggle to find, and then just click hard, you know, so you can find easy. After that, I buy this and I ask their address. So just buy, just anything, just buy it, right? And buy it. So this is the address, right? Address, and just ask their address and post it to their address. That's it. Finish. So really it's 690. So you just take 50 baht. So tell them this, the delivery is 230 and you get 50 baht. That's it. So posted their address, and that's easy. You can make one day 200 baht profit every day. So that's like a lot a month, like 2,000 a month, you know. That's good for just side hustle. So that's easy. You no need to buy item, you just catch and paste it there, and when they buy, you go there and you post it there. It's just like a loop, you know. So you have to good in communication, you have to good in sales, you know. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy and implement this technique to your life, so you can earn some money to online. It's very easy tip. I'm doing for this over a year now. I was told this by my brother. He teach me how to do this when I was in Bangkok, so I did it, and I'm getting pretty much good money, amount of money from this. So I hope you enjoy this video and implement this in your life.